Guess what just came in today? Alright, Beta 5 is out for X-Plane 12.1.0. Definitely go check that out. Full disclosure, I did install it last night. I actually ended up reinstalling all of X-Plane, so I started with a fresh slate. It messed up my frame rate. Like, my frame rate went from a normal 60 frames per second down to like 17. I can't get it over 17 frames per second, so I reinstalled everything. Now I'm going to start rebuilding everything. It did not fix it, so there might be something else going on. I don't know if it's the beta or not, but X-Plane 11 still runs at like 60 to 80 frames per second, and that one's loaded up. That one's got a lot of stuff going on, so I'm not sure exactly what's going on. I wanted to try Sim Heaven, if you wanted to try that out for some graphic updates, and then I was going to try Ortho for XP and see how that worked out. If I can't get the frame rate to work at just the normal basic level install for X-Plane 12, then I'm not going to continue trying for Sim Heaven and Ortho graphics. I'm not going to do that and overclock the thing that bad. So I think it's something else. I don't necessarily think that it's the graphics, because I was even able to lower the graphics, the settings, and it still won't go over 17. And I know X-Plane 11 runs fine. X-Plane 12 up until last night worked fine, so I might reinstall it again and see what happens. Yeah, in the meantime, I've been working on a new project out in the garage. I think that I am going to probably create a new YouTube channel for the RV10 build as I continue to make more videos for that as well. So keep an eye out for that. I'll leave links in the description when I get that all squared away. But check this out. So yeah, guess what just came in today? Yeah, that is an entire kit from Cleveland Tools to build an RV10. So we're gonna build that out, and I have to inventory this. A whole bunch of crap I need to inventory right here. So I'm just kind of getting it laid out. That is on my list today. Got some pegboard up over there. I might put another one on the other side of the hose line, which is running up the side of it there. Couldn't put as much as I thought I could put on there, but I have a funny feeling I'll be able to make use of another pegboard here pretty soon. So lots of fun stuff going on, and yeah, stick around. Back to X-Plane. Here is your Beta 5 release notes, so you can Google this easily. I'll leave a link down in the description as well. I'm not going to go through each of these because apparently nobody likes it when I read to them when they can just go here, or I can jump on X-Plane 12. It's mostly bug fixes, guys, all these different beta updates. I mean, they had the basic beta update, and now they're just pretty much updating bugs. So if that's pretty well what they're doing, hopefully they're getting new ideas and just making things work the way that it was expected to work. So definitely check this out to see what they've done. Nothing's new from what we've talked about in the last like 3 or 4 videos where we've talked about X-Plane 12. All right, so that's really all I've got today. I've got some things going on today, so I'm going to go get back to that and get this video up for you guys for the weekend. I would like to know what you guys think about my frame rate issue. What do you think is causing that? Or are you guys having issues? Are you guys having frame rate issues with the new beta? Let me know so that I can hopefully make the right fix instead of throwing spaghetti at the wall, hoping I can figure out why my frame rate is just all gone to crap all of a sudden. Even on a fresh install with no plugins, man. No plugins even installed. So, all right, guys, take it easy. I'll see you guys in another video. See ya.